What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. So, do you want to get your hands on a hard disk enclosure which has insanely fast data transfer speeds, supports USB 3.0 and SATA 3 and is backed up with 18 months of warranty in a very affordable price? Well, I have something from ORICO that matches this description, which I'm gonna show you right after this intro. Stay tuned. So there are times when you want to expand your storage, but either your motherboard runs out of SATA ports, or your case doesn't allow to add an extra hard drive, or simply buying another portable hard drive isn't an option because they are way too much expensive for most people. So in that case, hard disk enclosures come into play, and while buying hard disk enclosures you have to keep certain things in mind, like either they support SATA 3 and USB 3.0 for super fast speed, they look cool on your table and they don't occupy too much space, they are ergonomic obviously, and the main thing, they do not break your bank. Well, here's the answer. ORICO has sent me their ORICO 3588US3 hard disk enclosure, which have all these features which I'm gonna show you in detail in the rest of the video. So let's get started. The ORICO 3588US3 comes packed in a decent box which includes the hard disk enclosure itself, a USB 3.0 UASP high-speed cable, a user manual, a greetings card, two 3mm and 5mm foam pads, and a power adapter. The USB 3.0 cable is different than the traditional USB cables, and foam pads reduce vibration and hold the drives in position. The power adapter is rated at 100 to 240 volts and 1 ampere max at input and provides 12 volt 2 amperes output. The power adapter varies from region to region and you can order one of your choice from their store. ORICO 3588US3 HDD Enclosure is made of steel in the front and ABS thermoplastic polymer for the rest of its body. This provides it a good durability, endurance, and obviously the steel in the front provides exceptional heat dissipation. The front is embossed with ORICO logo on the right and it says SATA 3 6Gbps, means it supports all SATA drives from SATA 1 all the way up to SATA 3. The box however says USB 3.0 5Gbps. This means that the USB 3.0 interface supports 5 gigabits per second max theoretical transfer speeds, while SATA 3 is rated to deliver a 6 Gbps of theoretical transfer speeds. The side of ORICO 3588US3 has a DC input port, USB 3.0 port, a power LED and a power button. The power LED lights blue when powered on, and a red light blinks in it when there is data transfer. It's hard to show on camera, so I have to turn off the lights to show you the blinking red LED showing the data transfer. Now USB 3.0 supports UASP or USB attached SCSI protocol, which in a nutshell means very fast transfer speeds because it is relatively a new technology. The overall build quality is excellent. It seems to be a light material, but to be honest, it can survive a 2 feet drop and protect the internal drives and does not break itself. However, it is not scratch resistant and I was able to carve scratches on it with my metal pry tool. So, you don't want to keep sharp metal objects around ORICO 3588US3 enclosure. The dust too enters the enclosure in spite its fixed locks. The hard drives move freely inside unless you use 2mm or 5mm foam pads to reduce vibration and fix the hard drives inside. They are easy to apply and will keep the drives in their place no matter what and will reduce the vibration as well. The heat dissipation is awesome and I left it to transfer a 3 terabytes of data into my network attached storage overnight, and it wasn't warm at all. The back cover just slides easily and the 3.5-inch drive is easy to plug in as well as to plug out. Just slide it in and fix it and you are ready to roll. Same is the case with 2.5-inch drives or SSDs. Once fixed, plug in the power connector and the USB 3.0 cable and press the power button to turn on the device. The current price of ORICO 3588US3 hard disk enclosure is $19.99 US, but there's a discount going on which you can get on 11th November 2018 on AliExpress. So now is the time for benchmarks, and before I proceed, let me tell you guys that I was astonished myself to see the benchmark results, but it is what it is. I have been playing video games and I have been watching movies on this thing for a long time, and so far I have experienced no speed drops or data transfer losses. This thing is amazing. The only catch is that you have to use USB 3.0 port on your computer, or else you won't achieve the high-end speed. It's just like you have plugged in your SATA device directly into the motherboard. So here are the results. Now obviously those were the max speeds that I achieved in the benchmarks, but in actual data transfer I wanted to check the speeds too. Therefore I selected to copy the game files to testing hard drive and solid state drive. Assassin's Creed Odyssey game files were my selection because they are multiple files with varying sizes, so it would be a good test to the ORICO 3588US3 enclosure. Now, as you can see, I achieved a good transfer rate in both hard drive and solid state drive, but connected in USB 3.0 port via ORICO 3588US3 enclosure. But keep in mind that all USB 3.0 ports share same PCIe lanes, hence we never get full bandwidth on a single port. I will conclude this by saying that in my testing, this enclosure has performed quite well and makes it a case on the table in an affordable price. It comes in a multiple protection features and hassle-free installation. I'm thankful to ORICO for giving me the opportunity to review their 3588US3 hard disk enclosure. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video will help you guys make a better decision while buying hard disk enclosures. Make sure to check out ORICO's website for more of their products. Link is in the description below. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.